ko. Meron ba tayong 5 na gold variegated? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Lagan na.
Hi! Hi guys! So we're going to harvest Australian golden yellow today. Very big indeed. Yeah, look at the size. There's another one here.
Huwag muna yan ngayon. Hindi pa masyado hinog yan. Ay! You cut even
Yeah.
the big one.
Ay!
I told you!
Oh my god, there's a flower. You didn't tell me.
I told you!
No, you didn't tell. You said you cut also the other one. You did say that there's flower. Look. You didn't say that there's flower. Anyway, we can cook this one.
But I told you there's
There's
another
none.
one.
You didn't say that one. You just... Another big one. Look.
Ouch.
Yeah?
Sayang.
Oh yeah. That's life. I think that there's a flower. Alright. That's all for today. So, 1, 2, and 3. Big ones. Picture mo ako. Okay, stop na.